In a world driven by artificial intelligence, one mysterious entity stands above the rest, a black box AI chatbot. It's a system that thinks, creates codes, and evolves, but how does it really work? Today, we unlock the secrets of black box AI chatbots and explore their powerful functions, from website coding to image generation, reasoning, and even app building. Get ready to dive into the future. What is a black box AI? A black box AI is an advanced artificial intelligence system that processes inputs and delivers intelligent outputs, without humans fully understanding its decision-making process. These chatbots learn from data, improve through reinforcement learning, and operate with an element of unpredictability. But what makes them so powerful? Core functionalities. Let's break down the key features that make these AI-driven chatbots so groundbreaking. Website coding. Need a website in minutes? Black box AI chatbots can generate HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and even complex backend logic with Python, Node.js, or PHP. They understand user needs and build functional websites from simple text prompts. Image generation. From stunning digital art to hyper-realistic images, black box AI chatbots use advanced diffusion models to create visuals with nothing but a text prompt. Whether you need a unique logo or a fantasy landscape, AI has you covered. Reasoning and problem solving. These AI systems don't just respond, they think. Equipped with logical reasoning, they analyze problems, suggest solutions, and even write research papers. Imagine having a 24/7 digital assistant that can answer your deepest questions. App building. Building apps no longer requires years of coding experience. With black box AI, you can create fully functional mobile and web applications using simple descriptions. It can generate UI layouts, backend logic, and even deployment scripts. The risks and limitations. But with great power comes great responsibility. Black box AI chatbots can be unpredictable. They may generate biased content, hallucinate incorrect information, or even create security vulnerabilities in code. The lack of transparency in their decision-making raises ethical concerns. Can we truly trust an AI when we don't fully understand how it thinks? The future of black box AI. Despite the risks, the potential of black box AI is undeniable. From automating businesses to enhancing creativity, these chatbots are shaping the future. But how far will they go? Could they surpass human intelligence? Or will they always need human oversight? Only time will tell. What do you think about black box AI chatbots? Are they the key to an automated future or a dangerous unknown? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more mind-blowing AI content. See you in the next one.